position here, but we lack continuation. There could be a very easy way down, easy way up scenario here because of the lack of orders. So just pay close attention to that, right? If this happens, look for buying continuation. You don't know that yet, wait, and easy way up. If it continues in that green, look out. If it's in the green, yes, maybe I would want to chase it. We'll see how it goes. And thereafter, that green algorithm here before we start breaking out. So wait for that buying continuation. This is how you tell if the bulls are in control right here. If we do need to retrace it back a little bit more, you understand that this is the liquidity wedge where the handle can be built before it starts pushing up. So it's absolutely possible as well. You understand that this can still be a handle, isn't it? So you understand the liquidity wedge, you understand, and the larger the range, the better. I don't mind this. I don't mind if it's a, 8-point wedge. I don't mind that. I can find profits in the charts every single day if so. And by then, I can have a clearer decision before FOMC next week. And I would have key levels. It's close to my key levels. I can manage my risks better. So when you understand all these contexts, you will not always be coveting the big moves. Some of you are hoping for the big moves. You're not truly trading. You're not truly understanding what the market is doing and how to be finding profits in the charts from the market. You're projecting your bias and hope the market is doing what you want or doing what you wish. So some of you are looking for a wishing well. Some of you are looking for a genie in a bottle. You're not truly looking for knowledge. You're not truly looking for skills to build upon in order to extract profits in the charts using the skill that you have. And that makes you a very different person. Some of you are truly gambling. Not truly learning how to be a professional trader. So know the difference, be honest with yourself, and you can therefore start right. You start the journey right, and you continue the journey strong, and you can build towards your goals, and eventually one day you will live out your goals as a professional, in the sense, semi-professional trader. Because you're not working in an institution, but if you're exuding professional values as even a retail trader and you're making good money, I would think you're as good as a professional trader, isn't it? So yes, take this weekend, have a good rest and restore, recalibrate, and most importantly, you need to know what you're doing. So thank you very much for watching. See you closer to opening bell.